Na-feel mo na ba yon? Yung parang dati okay naman ako. Nakakapag-travel ako, nabibili ko lahat ng gusto ko, ang dami kong ginagawa, parang every week may bago. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi mo na siya nagagawa. Pero, bigla na lang ngayon, parang nag-plateau, or parang paulit-ulit, or parang biglang ang boring. Na minsan mapapaisip ka, ano nangyayari? Bakit parang nawala na naman yung spark? Kasi parang nakuha ko na eh. Tapos nandito na naman ako na parang wala na. Wala ulit. Parang hindi mo alam. You're clueless. Pero isa lang natutunan ko, pwede palang normal yun. Kasi life isn't meant to be always on the high. Hindi pwedeng laging adventure. Hindi din pwede laging exciting. May seasons ng growth at may seasons ng rest. Yung pakiramdam ng boring, hindi ibig sabihin wala kang progress. Minsan, it just means na nagre-recalibrate yung life mo. Like a system update. Diba parang sa phone or sa laptop, you do systems update. Hindi mo agad makikita yung results, but may nangyayari underneath, and that is okay. So, if you feel stuck right now, remember this. Hindi ka bumabalik sa simula. You're just in the season of preparing you for your next breakthrough. The travels, the wins, purchases, they'll come again. Pero for now, honor the pause. Kasi minsan, the quiet moments are the most powerful resets. Life isn't always about chasing the highs. Sometimes, it's about learning to breathe in the in-betweens. Trusting that you're exactly where you need to be.